This car's supposed to be at the body shop in just a couple of days, but it still has the engine in it, and that has to come out before we can take it. I just laid in a bunch of coolant. If you're new here, my name is Morgan and I'm currently rebuilding this totaled S550 Mustang. Last episode, we detailed this entire interior and it was nasty. So if you want to see the before and after, you can go check that out. But this episode, we're pulling the engine and I can already hear it now. Well, I hope she doesn't put that EcoBoost back in there. Let me tell you guys, this engine only has 20,000 miles on it. And I bought this car for only $1,500. I know I'm going to be spending money between the repairs and the body shop, but I still think that I'm going to be in a 20,000 mile S550 Mustang for a really insane price. Do we need breaker loops? Yeah. Okay.
Look at that.
It's like orange.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Should it fall anymore? Is it gonna fall anymore?
No, I think you're good.
Just hold over my head. I had to.
The brake bar did it in.
Yeah.
What you just did to me. No, do it again.
I just laid in a bunch of coolant.
Mash it up.
Yeah, pull it back just here.
Back to the top.
There, you have to like tuck it in and then like fit it. Okay.
I forgot the 10R has its own ECU in the trans, so it has its own trans harness.
Yeah.
And this one, the ECU is controlled by the PCM.
Feel a little tension on it, or no? I don't know how I need it. First day. Surprisingly, we pulled the entire engine in this car in just one day, really about 6 hours. But now that it's out, I need to clean this engine bay because it's still very disgusting and gross, and I don't want to send it to the body shop like this. So today we're gonna clean it up and then we're gonna get it loaded. So we finally got the car outside, and now it's time to pressure wash it because I tried the old-fashioned method of just scrubbing and wiping out, but this thing is so nasty, it really needs to be hit with some water. I did tape up everything to make sure that we're all kosher, and obviously the car's not starting for a while, so it has time to dry out. Let's start cleaning this thing. Now that this is out and now that this is clean, it can finally get loaded to go to the body shop. And while it's there, I'm gonna have a lot of time to order all the parts that I need and want, but it's very overwhelming because I've never built something that needs so much work. So if you guys could let me know down below what you'd recommend that I put on this car, like what I should upgrade, what I should change while I have this out, while I'm able to, and not swapping the engine. I'm not doing that. It's gonna get the EcoBoost back in it. But any other things you guys know are a must upgrade or a must change or a must mod for the S550, put them down in the comments below because I'm going to be building an extreme list, ordering it all, and then when this thing gets back, it's go time. And if you don't want to miss that, make sure you hit the subscribe button below because this thing is going to be an insane transformation and I cannot wait to get started on it. So I will see you guys next week, but that is it for this video.